Hi students, and welcome to week 12 in your online general psychology course. This week we are covering chapter 12, which is on personality. So in this chapter you will learn about major theoretical frameworks around personality, how we define personality, and some of the ins and outs related to personality characteristics. So I hope you find it to be informative as well as useful in your own life. So let's take a look at this week's module. Of course, as always, you have the slides for the PowerPoint. You will have two Connect assignments this week. One is over the 5 factors of personality, which is one of the theories that you'll read about in this chapter, and then one on approaches to personality psychology, yes. And then your chapter 12 quiz. So 2 Connect assignments and your chapter 12 quiz, all due by Sunday. There is not a writing assignment for this week. Yay. I did also just put in for fun, this is not a required assignment, but a link to an online personality assessment if you want to answer a quick few questions and find out your own personality type if you've never done that before. So again, just for fun, no assignment attached to it. But your assignments that are due are the 2 Connect assignments and the Chapter 12 quiz. I hope you have a great week, and let me know if you have any questions.